Good morning, students. Welcome to today's computer class. So, students, today we are going to start a new chapter. And before starting a new chapter, I have a questions for you. Okay. So, you all are mobile addict nowadays. Am I right? Mobile addict. I mean, always using a parent's mobile phone, always playing games or searching for something and watching videos, YouTube, everything. Am I right? Definitely that will be correct. Okay. So you all are familiar with your mobile phone, smartphones, your parents' smartphone and how to work on it. So every time you're searching for something or you're playing some video, how does this video gets played in your mobile phone? Do you have any idea? How does whatever you're searching for any information, you are getting that information, and if you search for a particular video, also you are getting and you're able to download the video and watch it. How it is possible? What helps us to search information and watch videos in the mobile phone? That's good. You have to enable data in your smartphone. If you are not enabling data in the smartphone, then you won't be able to search internet. And without enabling the data or a Wi-Fi connection, if you search for something, what does it says? You are offline. No internet. That is what the message we are getting, right? So no internet. That means you are getting connected with the internet. You are getting connected with the internet. So internet only provides the informations whatever you're looking for. Okay. So we are going to study about this internet and internet services today. Got it? So what we are going to study about? We are going to study about internet and internet services. That is the last chapter we are having. That is chapter number 9, internet services. This is a chapter we are going to study today. Okay. So first tell me, what is mean by internet? As I said, whatever you search in a mobile phone, you are getting all the information in a fraction of seconds, right? So when you just type what you need in the search box and press the OK button, immediately there are a lot of websites are appearing or a lot of videos are coming up, everything you are getting. So where does they are coming from? Are they coming from one particular place or from any one computer? No, they are not coming from one particular computer or from one particular place, because one computer is not that much enough to store all the informations. Not only you, everyone in the world are searching for the information. They're watching videos. Everything cannot be saved in one single computer, right? So there are so many computers which consist of all the informations what we are requesting for. Computer in the sense there are so many servers are there. Okay, so they are in different parts of the world, but they are connected together. They are connected together. So internet, it's nothing but it's a group of interconnected systems. It's a group of interconnected system. It's called internet. Internet, it's not a single computer. There are so many computers all around the world. They all are connected together. Okay, so that you are able to access any information at any time. So did you understand what is mean by internet? It's a group of internet means it's a group of interconnected computers. They are connected to one another. So you may ask a question. Teacher, you are telling that group of computers are connected which are all around the world, right? So how they are connected? So a computer is here in Trivandrum city and another computer in Bangalore or in UK or US, in otherwise in another state. So how they are getting connected? Normally, the computers are connected with the help of telephone lines. Okay, it depends upon the distance. Okay, telephone line, Ethernet cables. Okay, so using the cables, they might have connected using wireless connection, satellite connection, fiber optic connection. There are different modes of connections are there. Using those connections, the computers in the world, all around the world, are connected together. Got it? So internet is a group of interconnected computer. It's called internet. We can also call it as global network. Internet, it's a global network. Globe means the world, the whole world. Okay, so internet, it's a global network. Clear? Okay, so this is what all about internet. Now let's study about internet services. Okay, so there are n number of services are there, we can't count it, but we are going to discuss about only a few services in this chapter. Okay, so today we will discuss about three services. Okay, so the very first one, communication services. Okay, the very first services, communication services. So what is mean by communication? So communication means talking one to one. It's called communication. We are using a particular language to talk to one another. See, now I'm just taking a class to you. I'm communicating with you students. And what I'm doing here, my purpose is sharing the information. Okay, I'm just sharing information about this internet services. Every teacher, they are sharing some information about a particular topic to you. So we are communicating with you. Now it's a one-way communication. Because of online classes, I'm only talking and you are just listening. And if it's a regular classes, it's going to be a two-way communication. I may be asking questions, you will give a reply back to me. That is called communication. There are different types of communications are there. Okay, so that is a direct way of communication. But we are studying about internet services. But through the internet, how do we communicate? Through the internet, how do we communicate? That is called communication services. So can you tell me, through with the help of internet, how do you communicate with others? That's good. You make a video call with the help of internet. So that is a way of communication. You make a video call and talk to somebody else, right? So that is with the help of internet. So video calling, it's one facility. Then you make instant messages, right? WhatsApp messages you are sending and you're immediately getting a reply back. So that is also a kind of communication, because you are asking something and they are sending you the reply. So that is also a communication. Okay, and what else is there? So you may send an email to your friend, or if you're working in an office, you may have to send a mail to your employees or your colleagues. So sending mail. So through the mail, you are communicating something to others. So email is also a way of communication. And you can also share your computer, okay, from another place. Okay, if you're not, you cannot, if you cannot carry your computer to another place, what you can do is, there are services like a telnet. You can just share your desktop from the place where you are. Okay, so that is also a type of communication, because we are sharing information from one computer to another computer. Likewise, there are different communication services are there. There are different communication services are there. Okay, so all of you take your textbook and take page number 93. Page number 93, and we are going to look at this box. If you do not have your text with you, pause this video. Okay, go and bring your textbook, then you can play the video again. Got it? That's good. So are you ready? Yes. So all of you take page number 93 and take this particular table. So what does it says? Name of internet service. Okay, name of internet service. What is its purpose and what are their examples? Okay, as I said, whatever I said, it's going to come here. So electronic mail or email. Electronic mail or email. See, I will ask a question. What is the full form of email? What is the full form of email? That's good. It's an electronic mail. Okay, it's electronic mail. It's electronic mail. Then what is its purpose? Do you know any purpose of electronic mail, email? That's good. To send and receive messages, mails. To send and receive letters, mails, we are using electronic mail, email services. So do you have any email account for you? Or maybe your brothers or sisters may be having the email account. Do you have any? Yes. From which provider? That's good. Gmail.com. Okay, from Gmail, you may have a email account or yahoo.com, rediffmail.com, aol.com. There are n number of email services are there. And what is their purpose? To send and receive text files and everything. Okay, this is one of the easiest way and free of cost, and it will reach the other person immediately. No delay will happen. So which is called electronic mail. That is the first communication service. Okay, let's see the second one, telnet. So as I said, telnet means you can share your computer or you can share others computer from the place where you are, which is called telnet service. Okay, so let me write telnet. Telnet services to share your computer. We are using telnet, okay? And there are different types of telnet services are there, like a team viewer, Zoho Assist. They are examples, okay? And see the purpose of telnet. You can access your computer from a distant place using internet. Okay? That is called telnet. The next service, news groups. Next one, it's called news groups. This is an online forum. This is a kind of online forum where people are having the same interest. They will discuss about the latest news. Okay, so they will just give their opinions and what is their review of that particular news. Okay, if they have a opposing uh, points also, they will just display on this forum. Okay, that is called news group. Okay, let's see what is given on its purpose. Third one, all of you look at the third one, news group, an online forum where people having common interest can discuss and share their ideas and resources. They will share their ideas and resources. Okay, an example, Google, Yahoo, everything. It's called, yeah, they are news groups. Okay, then mailing list. Next one, it's called mailing list. Mailing list is also same like news group. The group of users, those who have a same interest, they will discuss. Okay, they can discuss through email. That is called mailing list. Example, tile.net, list.com. List.com. They are examples for mailing list. Okay. Next one, internet telephony or video conferencing. So it's very important. Please listen carefully. Internet telephony or video conferencing. So internet telephony, otherwise it is called as VoIP, V-O-I-P. It is called as VoIP. All of you write it in your notebook also, VoIP. The full form of VoIP is Voice over Internet Protocol. So the first letters, okay, VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol. This is the full form of VoIP. Okay, Internet telephony, it's also called as VoIP, or we can call it as video conferencing. Okay, so what is mean by Internet telephony? Internet, you know what is mean by internet connection. Telephone also, you know, to make calls we use telephones. Landline phones I'm talking about. Okay, so internet telephony in the sense, using internet connection you can make phone calls. You can make phone calls. There is no need to make call charges, because through the internet you are making calls. That is called voice over internet protocol, internet telephony. Using net connection you are talking to the phone, and you will just pay for the internet connection, not for the phone calls. According to the speed or according to the MB, whatever the data you are using, you have to pay for the internet, not for the calls. Okay, so if you have a high speed internet, then the clarity or quality of the call will be very good. Okay, and if you have a poor connection, then you cannot hear properly on the phone. So that depends upon. which is called internet telephony. Okay, so video conferencing in the sense, so group of people can talk to another group of people, they are in another location. Okay, so you may assume that a group of people sitting here in this office, the same office has a branch in US. Okay, so there also group of people is sitting, they can just conduct a meeting through the video conference. Okay, why to go for a video conference? Is it possible to go to US from here to US just like that? No, right? Passport, visa, so many procedures are there. Then money is there, right? And traveling time, then so many things are there, right? So in order to avoid all these things, we can go for a video conferencing. Video conferencing means in a room we can set up the video conference and group of people sit together, and another place also group of people can sit together, and they have to use this video conferencing software that has to be set up on the computer, and they will be using some projector to see the other faces. So they can chat, they can talk, they can communicate with each other and everything through the video conferencing. So this is also one of the communication services in internet. Okay, let's see in the text. Internet telephony or video conferencing allows internet users to talk or have a video chat across the internet with anybody anywhere in the world. Example, Skype, Yahoo Messenger. These are the examples of internet telephony. Okay. The next one, instant messaging. So what is instant messaging? Instant coffee you have heard about, right? Right? Instant coffee. Just the coffee powder is there, instant coffee powder. Boil the milk, add the powder, and you can drink. Instant coffee, immediately you're getting. Similarly, instant messaging means you just send some messages to somebody else, immediately they will see the message and reply to you online. So both are being online. So when people are online, they can instantly send and receive messages. It's called instant messaging. Okay, so there are so many instant messaging sites are there. Yahoo Messenger, MSN Messenger, so many are there. Okay, so offers real-time chatting between individuals and group of peoples. It may be one-to-one talk or group chat, anything it may be. So these are the communication services provided by internet. This is very less only, and still more are there. Okay, for you we have listed out only five, not five, six. Last one is instant messaging. Is it clear for everyone? That's good. So students, we are studying about the chapter Internet Services, and we covered what is meant by Internet. So do you remember what is meant by Internet? Yes, it's a group of interconnected computers. Group of interconnected computers are called as Internet. We can also call it as global network. Internet, it's a global network. Okay, so we studied about the internet services. As I said, there are so many services in the internet. We are going to study very few services of internet, discuss about it. Okay, the very first service we discussed is communication services. So communication means talking to one another, right? So directly we can talk to person, and how can we talk without the direct conversation? Through the internet, through the telephone. We can send a chat message, right? We can call and talk. So everything, it becomes possible with the help of internet. For everything we have a different types of services, like an email service, telnet service, news groups, mailing list, internet telephony or video conferencing, then instant messaging. So these are the different types of communication services. Is it clear for everyone? That's good. Okay. Then what is the second service? The second one we are going to study about is, so this is the first one. Okay. First service we are studying about. We are studying about the services, internet services. Okay. First one we covered. Then second one, information retrieval services. Information retrieval services. So information retrieval. So accessing some information. Retrieval means accessing the data. It's called retrieval. Okay. So actual retrieval means getting it back. Something is there and we are just getting it back. It's called retrieval. Here in information retrieval services means whatever information we need, we are getting it from the internet. So how do we get it? We download it, right? So if you want to if you have any videos like of yours, you might have sing a song, okay, or you might have performed a dance, anything. If you want to upload also, you can do it. So you can download information as well as you can upload information on the internet, right? So information retrieval services, for this are mainly one protocol it's used, which is called FTP. FTP, which means file transfer protocol. Okay, so for information retrieval, dash is used FTP. What is the full form of FTP? File transfer protocol. So which is helpful in retrieving the files. Okay, so file transfer in the sense, from the internet you are downloading something and you are saving it in your computer. So you are getting information from another place to your computer. So that is called transferring. Okay, then from your computer you are uploading some information to the internet, that is also transferring. So that is file transfer protocol, so which is helpful in searching for any information, uploading and downloading in the computer. So that is a second type of internet services. Clear? So we studied two services so far. First one, communication services, and then information retrieval services. These are the two services we covered now. Is it clear, students? That's good. That's all for today's class. Students, all of you read the same chapter from your text. I have just taught not even complete 2 pages, okay? So please read it and study, even though it is just 2 pages, which has a lot of information to study. Okay, underline the important words in the text and then read the chapter. I'll get back to you next week. Okay, fine, students. So I will be sending notes for chapter 7 and 8. Please copy it in your computer notebook neatly. Thank you. Have a great day.